أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn the whole surah Al-Layl, and number 1 to 21. First I'm going to recite this inshallah. After that let's look into tajweed rulings. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والليل إذا يغشى والنهار إذا تجلى وما خلق الذكر والأنثى إن سعيكم لشتى فأما من أعطى واتقى وصدق بالحسنى فسنيسره لليسرى وأما من بخل واستغنى وكذب بالحسنى فسنيسره للعسرى وما يغني عنه ماله إذا تردى إن علينا للهدى وإن لنا للآخرة والأولى فأنذرتكم نارا تلظى لا يصلاها إلا الأشقى الذي كذب وتولى وسيجنبها الأتقى الذي يؤتي ماله يتزكى وما لأحد عنده من نعمة تجزى إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى ولسوف يرضى. Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into tajweed rulings of these ayahs, and number 1 to 21. Okay, and number 1, والليل إذا يغشى. Wallayli, not layli. Yalin, it should be soft and easy. Wallayli. Okay. Wallayli إذا, no buzzing sound, not إذا. إذا يغشى. Don't recite that with a jerk like yagh. That is wrong. يغشى. يغشى. The ghayn sakina should be a little heavier. يغشى. In all these ayahs which we are learning, that is Surah Al-Layl, the ending is with alif makhsura. Alif makhsura is a small standing fatha, or you can say alif al-mad saghira. Okay, the letter will contain standing fatha, and the next letter will be ya, which has no sign on it. That means this is actually alif makhsura, which acts like alif maddiya. Okay, or alif mad al-saghira. The ruling is you will have to stretch it for 2 haraka. While stopping and also while continuation. Okay, with the waqf and also with the wasl, the ruling is to stretch it for 2 haraka, as this is a mad at-tabi'i, mad al-asli. You will have to stretch for 2 count inshallah. وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَغْشَى وَالنَّهَارِ إِذَا تَجَلَّى Noon mushaddad to count. Gunna nahari. Ha from the last part of your throat. The blunt sound should be there. Nahari. Ra kasra is light. Iza. Same thing. No buzzing sound. Stretch it for 2 count. Tajalla. This lam has standing fatha. Same, that is alif makhsura, which has this ya, right? There is no sign on this ya, so we will not pronounce this ya. It is silent, but actually that is alif makhsura. Okay, something which looks like ya, but actually it is like alif maddiya, so you will have to stretch it for 2 haraka. Iza tajalla. There is also tajdeed, so emphasize it. وَالنَّهَارِ إِذَا تَجَلَّى وَمَا خَلَقَ الذَّكَرَ وَالْأُنثَى وَمَا, to count. وَمَا خَلَقَ. Kha and the qaf are heavy, lam is light. خَلَقَ الذَّكَرَ. Connect that qaf to dhal. خلق الذكر, Zal with no buzzing sound, Ra is heavy. والأنثى, والأنثى, إخفاء here for 2 count, 2 haraka غنة, nasalization. Sa with no whistling sound, and there is alif makhsura here, stretch it for 2 count while stopping. But if you want to continue, connect these both ayahs, then you can use this mad sign. Why is the mad sign here? Because this is mad al-jaiz munfasil, where huruf al-mad or huruf al-mad saghira, or we can say mad al-asli, is followed by hamza in a separate word, right? If you want to connect both the ayahs, it will be wal untha inna. Mad al-jaiz munfasil, mad due to hamza stretch is stretched for 4 count, right? But if you want to stop, just 2 haraka. Okay. وَمَا خَلَقَ الذَّكَرَ وَالْأُنثَى إِنَّ سَعْيَكُمْ لَشَتَّى. إِنَّ نون مشدد to count غنة. سَعْيَكُمْ عين clear, don't recite it like sayakum. Ain is there and that should be clear. Sayakum. Mim sakin with no extra gunna, just izhar ash-shafawi. Sayakum la shatta. Ta with tajdeed, ta mushaddad, emphasize it, put a stress on it, and then stretch it for 2 count while stopping. Inna sa'yakum la shatta. فأما من أعطى واتقى. فأما, all the letters should be pronounced correctly. It should not sound like famma, famma. Okay, hamza should be pronounced with the qata, that cutting sound like fa, not fa, fa, fa. Famma, this is wrong. فأما, mim mushaddad 2 haraka gunna, and also 2 haraka stretching. Why? Because fatha is followed by alif, that is alif maddiya. فأما, ma 2 count. Man, nun sakin, that has it is followed by hamza, so just izhar, no extra gunna. Man, man. Okay. Man a'ta, ain again sakina, especially when ain is with sakin, you have to be more careful. In these words it will sound like a'ta, a'ta. The ain will be completely gone. So what you have to do is pronounce it clearly like a'ta. Okay. A'ta, ta for 2 haraka and also heavy. أعطى واتقى. واتقى, qaf here again for 2 haraka, make it heavier because this qaf is a heavy letter. Don't recite wattaqa, wattaqa. Okay, while stopping 2 count inshallah. فأما من أعطى واتقى وصدق بالحسنى. وصدق, Waw is a light letter, Sod is heavy, Dal is light, Qaf is heavy. Okay, you have to pronounce all clearly, and it should be only for 1 haraka, but this Dal will be emphasized. وَصَدَّقَ وَصَدَّقَ بِالْحُسْنَى. Hu, very sharp. Husna, alif makhsura again while stopping 2 count. وَصَدَّقَ بِالْحُسْنَى فسنيسره لليسرى. فسنيسره, just this ha here is for 2 haraka, all has just fatha, dhamma, kasra, right? But there is sin as well which has tashdeed, so you have to emphasize there. فسنيسره. فسنيسره, ra heavy, ru, not ru, ru. فسنيسره لليسرى. Lil yusra, ra heavy and also stretch for 2 haraka while stopping. فسنيسره لليسرى. وأما من بخل واستغنى. وأما, not wamma, wamma. وأما, ميم مشدد to count غنة and alif maddiya, stretch it for 2 haraka. وأما من بخل, Nun sakin is followed by letter ba. Okay, this is ba here, this is a kha. Okay, ba. So what we have to do, iqlab, conversion of nun sakin into meme. Pronounce that meme with the 2 count gunna. Man bakhila, kha heavy, bakhila, wast واستغنى واستغ غين, the sound of غين should flow. Don't recite it like واستغ تغ, this is wrong. واستغنى تغنى, while stopping to حركة to this ألف مقصورة. وأما من بخل واستغنى وكذب بالحسنى وكذب, no buzzing sound, don't recite it like كذب كذب وكذب بالحسنى حو, very sharp, حسنى again ألف مقصورة. وكذب بالحسنى فسنيسره للعسرى فسنيسره, all the letters for 1-1 count except the saha which has inverted dhamma, that is mad al sila sughra, right, 2 count stretch, but the surah must be heavier and sin should be emphasized. فسنيسره للعسرى, عين here, okay, عسرى, ra heavy and while stopping 2 count. فسنيسره للعسرى وما يغني عنه ماله إذا تردى وما تحرك يغني غين, no قلقلة لك يغني عنه إظهار عنه عين should be clear. ماله, ha here with inverted dhamma followed by hamza in a separate word mad al sila kubra. This is sughra here and here it is kubra, 4 count, just like mad al jaiz munfasil, okay. Malahu إذا, not إذا, إذا تردى, ra heavy, تردى, da emphasize it and then 2 حركة. وما يغني عنه ماله إذا تردى إن علينا للهدى إن المشدد تكون غنى علينا عين clear and I kind of sound to this yalin علينا للهدى Huda, ha from the last part of the throat, da for 2 count. Alif makhsura in all the ayahs here, ending with alif makhsura, okay? Inna alayna lal huda wa inna lana lal akhirata wal ula wa inna nun mushaddad to count gunna lana to haraka lal akhirata lal to حركة آخرة, را heavy, للآخرة والأولى, for 2 count, lam for 2 count, okay. وإن لنا للآخرة والأولى فأنذرتكم نارا تلظى. Don't recite it like fang, because when there is fatha followed by another hamza carrying fatha, there is a chance of merging that hamza with that fatha, like fang, okay, it should be fa'an, and this nun sakin followed by zal, ikhfa is done. فأنذرتكم, zal with no buzzing sound, ra sakin is heavier, mim sakin with no extra gunna, just izhar ash-shafawi, okay. فأنذرتكم نارا, ra is heavy, but here tanween is followed by ta, so don't do izhar, it should be ikhfa with 2 count gunna. نارا ta, in this way 2 harika gunna, hiding that gunna in nasal cavity, ikhfa is done. نارا تلظى, no buzzing sound, don't recite تلظى, okay, and also make it heavier, it is a heavy letter, stretch it for 2 haraka. فأنذرتكم نارا تلظى لا يصلاها إلا الأشقى. La, to count. Yes, yes, not yes. Yes is a light and it is not a scene, it is sod. Yes, la, yes. Don't make ya heavy like yo, yes, yes. This is wrong. Yes, yes, la, ha. Alif mad followed by hamza in a separate word. Mad al jaiz munfasil for haraka. Yes, la, yes, la, illa. Illa, emphasize letter lam, and there is alif maddiya, but we are not reading alif maddiya. Why? Due to iltaqa sakinen. If the alif mad, waw mad, ya mad, or alif waw ya al mad saghira, that is also called as standing fatha, standing kasra, inverted dhamma, and also this alif makhsura also comes under the same madul asli, right? If all those things are followed by hamzatul wasl, we are not reading that mad. Okay, we cancel the mad and directly connect it to the next letter, sakin letter or tajdeed letter, because hamzatul wasl will be always followed by sakin or tajdeed letter. It will be not illal, it is just illal. Okay. This ruling is called as the ruling of iltaqa sakinain, illal ashqa. Okay, why is there no standing fatha here? In all the places you can see there is standing fatha, or we also call it as alif saghira, the small alif, right? But why is there no standing fatha? Because the next ayah, the number 16th, is beginning with hamzatul wasl. So just like how we applied the ruling here, we cancelled this alif maddiya, right? We did not recite it like illal. But if you want to stop here, how will you stop? La yaslaha illa to count. But while connecting, illal, same ruling is applying here as well. Next word is beginning with hamzatul wasl. If you want to connect this ayah to that ayah, then you will not recite standing fatha, because you are going to cancel that mad. You will be just reciting fatha. Therefore, here there is fatha. Okay, so how to recite it? While stopping, you have to recite it for 2 haraka now. La yaslaha illa al-ashqa. Even though there is no standing fatha, you should recite it. Ashqa. If you want to continue, it will be illa al-ashqa alladhi. Okay, because the next word is with alladhi. So what you have to do, stop here with 2 haraka. La yaslaha illa al-ashqa. Continuation will be La yaslaha illa al-ashqa alladhi kadhaba wa tawalla. In this way. Okay, illa al-ashqa الذي كذب وتولى. الذي همزة الوصل بالحاء فتحة now. Zal with no za kind of sound, no buzzing. الذي كذب, here also no buzzing sound. وتولى 2 حركة ألف مكسورة, and also emphasize it. الذي كذب وتولى وسيجنبها الأتقى. وَسَيُجَنَّبُهَا. Okay, all the letters here till here all are for 1 haraka. Noon should be emphasized, that is put do 2 haraka gunna there. Ha, this is alif maddiya. Can you see? Alif maddiya. وَسَيُجَنَّبُهَا. But if you want to continue, what we do? Iltaqa sakin and ruling. 2 sakin in 2 different words cannot meet each other. We will either have to cancel 1 sakin. Alif, waw, ya maddiya, and all madul asli will be actually in the sakin state there, right? So we will just cancel that mad. Hal, okay, not hal. وَسَيُجَنَّبُهَا الْأَتْقَى. At hums and then recite a qa. Here also same thing. You can see there is just fatha instead of standing fatha. Why? As you're cancelling alif mad here also you'll cancel standing fatha. Therefore, in the Quran, just to make it easy for the reciter, if they want to connect, it is already given with fatha. Not just here, it is given in the whole Quran. Wherever there is alif maksura followed by hamzatul wasl, you can see there is just fatha there. Okay, so it will be atqa while stopping. While continuation, وَسَيُجَنَّبُهَا الْأَتْقَى الَّذِي يُؤْتِي مَالَهُ يَتَزَكَّى. If you want to continue, أَتْقَى الَّذِي. If you want to stop, وَسَيُجَنَّبُهَا الْأَتْقَى. أَتْقَى. الذي يؤتي ماله يتزكى. الذي, here with fatha hamzatul wasl, no buzzing sound. الذي يؤتي, hamza with a jerk, يؤتي ماله, ها مدل سلا صغرى تو حركة, ماله يتزكى. يتزكى, za with a buzzing sound. This za is with buzzing sound, okay? يتزكى, ka to haraka while stopping because this is alif makhsura, okay? الذي يؤتي ماله يتزكى وما لأحد عنده من نعمة تجزى. وما to count, لأحد, aha very sharp, أحد tanween followed by ain, no extra gunna, just izhar. لأحد عنده, ain should be clear, noon sakin followed by dal, ikhfa is done, ha for two haraka, madal sila sughra. عنده عنده من نعمتي, noon sakin followed by noon, idgham, right, to count gunna. من نعمتي, نعمتي, don't recite نعمتي, ain should be there, نعمتي, okay? نعمة, tanween followed by ta, ikhfa is done, نعمة تجزى, tuj, dream with a qalqala, tujza. And why is there mad sign here? If you want to connect the ayahs, you can see at the end of few ayahs here there is lam alif, which means not to stop. So if you have a habit of just reciting by connecting one ayah to other without doing waqf, just by wasl, you can do it here, okay? You can do it here, but it is better not to do here. Why? Because there is a jim sign here, that is waqf al jayaz, better to stop. But if you want to continue, then there is no issues, fine. So here you can continue, but stopping is better. Why? Because stopping, the alamat of waqf of stopping is more superior and the strongest than all the alamatul waqf. Why? Because that is sunnah to stop at the ending of each ayah, okay? So if you don't want to stop, then the alif saghira, that is alif makhsura, is followed by hamza in a separate word, that is mad al jaiz munfasil, right? Four haraka can be stretched, but as we are not connecting the ayahs, you will just have a choice of stretching it for two haraka, no four haraka here, okay? وما لأحد عنده من نعمة تجزى إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى. إلا, la mushaddad to count, la mushaddad should be emphasized, and this should be stretched for two haraka, but not while connecting. This word is illa, but next word is starting with the hamzatul wasl, ibtigha, right? So cancel the alif maddiya, illab, illabtigha. Ghain is heavy, not gha, gha. It should be little heavier because that is a huruf al-musta'liya. illabtigha wajhi, jim with the qalqala, wajhi rabbihil, ra heavy, rabbihil a'la, a'la ain. You have to recite it correctly. Don't recite like rabbihil a'la, a'la. Ain should be clear. A'la, a'la. Okay, lam for two haraka. إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى. This one for four count, okay? Alif maddiya followed by hamza in the same word, mad al wajib muttasil. إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى ولسوف يرضى. ولسوف, not sofa. ولسوف يرضى. Ra sakin is heavy and also dad is heavy. يرضى. Okay, alhamdulillah. So we have completed learning the surah al-layl, alhamdulillah. Any doubts in the ayahs, the tajweed ruling of the ayahs? No. Okay, alhamdulillah. Let's end the meeting now, inshallah. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Jesus, Sister Alia, you have any question?
Yeah. Can you repeat the last ayah?
ولا ولا